Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can set Google Chrome as default browser in Android, especially in Samsung phone. Alright, the first thing you should do is go to your settings app on your phone. Then you have to scroll down your screen until you find apps option, and it's right here. Just tap on it. Then hold on, and you have to click on choose default apps right here. And we are going to set the Google Chrome as our default browser, and we can click on browser app right here. And you can simply click on Chrome to make the Google Chrome to be your default browser. And now the default browser has been changed, and that's how we can set Google Chrome as default browser in Android phone. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.